Okay, the birdies are wanting fed, and for some reason, there is a peanut in my bird food. I did not put that there, by the way. There we go. There you are, guys. The water is frozen solid, so I have to take care of that as well. We gotta get their water. That is a solid block of ice. So I'm gonna bring this in and try to thaw it. But I have a new container. Always have two, guys. Always have two in the winter. That way you can swap them out. Birdies still need water in the winter, guys. And look at them all. Precious little things.